Everyone losing their minds over Seedance 2 right now. But before you spend money on a subscription, you should test it yourself first. Luckily, there are 4 different platforms giving away free credits so you can try it without paying a single dollar. Let's go through them one by one. The first one is called Flova AI. If you want to keep testing over many weeks, this platform becomes really useful. Flova gives you 100 credits every single week. One week you test a cinematic shot. The next week you test something totally different. So if you're the type of person who wants to really understand the tool before committing money, Flova AI is your friend. Now, the second one, Kenovi AI. When you sign up, you get 200 free credits. That means you can run one free test of Seedance 2 standard model for a 5-second video. But there's also the fast model. That one burns about 140 credits for the same 5-second clip. Now, let's talk about the third platform. This one is really interesting. It is called Floweth. When you sign up, you get 300 credits. Now, here's the catch. You get access to the Seedance 2 fast model, but you can't really customize things. You can't control the duration, you can't pick the resolution, you can't adjust the quality. And now we get to the last one. This is Weavy AI. Weavy gives you 150 free credits every single month. But Weavy does something that literally none of the other 3 do. You can import models from outside the platform and run them directly inside Weavy. It takes 145 credits for a 5-second clip, so you only get one test run. All 4 platforms give you free access to test Seedance 2. Try it, see the quality for yourself, and decide if it's worth paying for. Thanks for watching.